Hey you guys, I'm teaching at ARA Boston this summer and they asked me to make a quick video about advice I would give to artists. So I got two things, bonus. One is never being afraid to try new things and fail. Failure is definitely a part of the whole art experience and learning. No learning really takes place when we're comfortable. And sometimes that can be hard, to sort of embrace failure, but it's good, that's for me is really how you learn, through experimentation and falling flat on your face. Another thing that I think is also really important is making art friends. I say this in every podcast and interview I do. We all have super supportive friends and family, right? But having friends that are artists who know what you struggle with and sort of that day-to-day thing that making art is about, and building your career and navigating the waters of being a creative person, I just feel is so helpful. Really, some of my most valuable friendships are people who are art friends. A lot of them are online. I've never even met them in real life, but it can be very important and they can really help you navigate your way. And that's something that I think you get both of those things in workshop experience. Workshops can be very intense. It's 5 days, it's new stuff, it's new skills. There's a lot of information being thrown at you, but sort of being together with a group of other creatives and artists and working together, meeting new people, making connections, it's really valuable. And you have all the support there. So that's why I think if you ever have a chance to go and do an in-person workshop, they're pretty awesome. All right, that's my advice. Happy painting.